Hello everyone, welcome to this training workshop series on the Eclipse Arrowhead Framework. My name is Salman Javed and I'll be your guide throughout this series. Let's get started. The primary objectives of this workshop are fourfold. First, to understand the fundamentals of the Arrowhead Framework. Second, to learn how to install and manage the framework on edge devices and servers. Third, to gain hands-on experience in deploying Arrowhead local clouds and systems. And fourth, to master the intricacies of certificate generation, management tools, and intercloud rules. The workshop includes 10 videos. Throughout the series, we will have hands-on demos to provide you with practical experience. These demos will help you understand the implementation details and give you the confidence to apply what you have learned in your own projects. You might be wondering why focus on the Arrowhead framework. Well, there are several compelling reasons. Firstly, there is a growing need to new technologies to address the limitations of current automation systems. Secondly, the next generation of automation is here and it's being shaped by IoT, system of systems, and edge devices. Lastly, an automation system grow in size, the engineering and security challenges also grow. The first video serves as an introduction to the Arrowhead framework. We will discuss what it is, its origins, and its problems it aims to solve in the realm of industrial automation and IoT. We will also delve into why Arrowhead is significant in industrial automation, from enhancing operational efficiency to ensuring secure data exchange. We will cover the myriad ways Arrowhead is transforming the industrial landscape. Lastly, in the first video, we will introduce you to key components like service registry, which acts as a directory for services, orchestration for automated service coordination, and authorization to ensure secure access. These components are backbone of the Arrowhead framework and called the mandatory core systems. In the second video, we will start by discussing the prerequisites for installing the Arrowhead framework. This will include both hardware and software requirements to ensure you are well prepared for the installation process. Then we will walk through a step-by-step guide for installing Arrowhead local cloud. This will include in details instructions for setting it up on edge devices as well as on servers like Windows, Mac, and Linux machines. The aim is to make the installation process as straightforward as possible. Finally, we will wrap up the second video with troubleshooting tips. We will cover common issues that you might encounter during installation process and provide solutions to resolve them. In the third video, we will focus on the importance of certificates in Arrowhead framework. Certificates are crucial for secure communication and data exchange within the Arrowhead framework. We will discuss why they are needed and how they contribute to overall security architecture. We also explore the different types of certificates used in Arrowhead. Understanding these types is essential for effective certificate management. To round off the third video, we will go through the step-by-step guide for generating certificates using the certificate generation tool and Keystore, and discuss best practices for managing them. This will include how to store, renew, and revoke certificates to maintain a secure communication. In the fourth video, we will introduce you to various management tools available in Arrowhead. These tools are designed to make it easier to configure, monitor, and maintain your Arrowhead systems and local cloud. We will then delve into how to use these management tools effectively. This includes Swagger and are also Arrowhead management tool. This will include demonstration example to provide a practical understanding of each tool capabilities. To conclude the fourth video, we will have a live demo showcasing these management tools in action. This will give you a first-hand look at how these tools can be used in real-world scenarios. In the fifth video, we will discuss what an Arrowhead local cloud is. A local cloud is essentially a localized instance of Arrowhead framework, often tailored for specific automation tasks. Then we will guide you through the steps required to set up and run an Arrowhead local cloud. This will include configuration, settings, service registration, orchestration procedures. Finally, we will explore some use cases where a local cloud can be beneficial. This will help you understand the practical application for setting up a local cloud in different industrial settings. Video 6 to 10 will cover more advanced topics. In video 6, we will guide you through the process of setting up and deploying provider system within a local cloud. Video 7 will teach you how to set up a consumer system and how they interact with the provider systems. Video 8 will focus on configuring and using ActiveMQ broker system for message queuing in the Arrowhead systems while inter-cloud communication. In video 9, we will discuss the rules for inter-cloud interactions and how to set up the gateway and gatekeeper and service discovery across multiple clouds. Last but not least, video 10 will provide a hands-on demo for deploying an inter-cloud system, allowing you to see all the pieces come together. Thank you very much.